Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Simran Poddar and you're watching Life at NIF. So today's topic is hostel essentials and ये essential video is for everyone. And first of all, I want to congratulate all the students who are coming this year to the college. I know girls will be more excited and happy कि क्या लेके जाऊँ क्या नहीं लेके जाऊँ. तो I am here, don't worry. So firstly, I will be talking about the stationery. For the Niftians, I will be talking about stationery. Stationery is very important. The basic stationery you will need is like pencil, colors, different types of pencils. You will need a little A5 size of copy as well, or you will need A4 or A3 size of notebook, of drawing notebook as well. And I have a dedicated video in this topic. Last year I have made it. So you can go and check it out. वहाँ पर मैंने ज़्यादा अच्छे से clearly I have mentioned all the things with showing what type of stationery I have used. I will link it in the description box or in the I button. ठीक है, stationery हो गया. And after the stationery you will need some. If you are going to hostels, you will need your bucket, bed sheets, pillow cover. Carry a curtain as well to give your room a aesthetic look. Carry a plate, thali, a katori, a glass, one good bottle जो कि आप big size. Please go with snacks. Snacks is very important for munching because आप अचानक से घर से आए हो और you need something to eat in a day. Buy some munching products, dry fruits, mixture, biscuits. You will be coming in the August, and after August there are lots of occasions are there like Diwali हो गया, Durga Puja हो गया. So please carry Indian outfits because most of the time in any occasion, Niftians mostly wear Indian clothes, or you can carry some skirts, or you can carry some dupatta, you can carry some oxidized jewelries and some jewelries like Western Indian wear. Western wear तो आप daily outfit के लिए carry करोगे ही, but कोई भी occasion होता है people carry Indian outfit. Carry some sarees as well with you, with that tan top ताकि आपको वो blouse की need ना हो. Yes, petticoat as well because I wore saree without petticoat with the leggies. So that's it for clothes. I guess take your makeup products as well. You can carry a minimal one, and you can carry a good red lipstick or pink lipstick or a nude shade lipstick. Umbrella is important. Tote bag is important. Yes, a tote bag is important because मैं वहाँ जाकर कॉलेज में जाकर मुझे खरीदना पड़ा था. Please carry a tote bag. 1 or 2 tote bag will be enough. Like एक थोड़ा बड़ा साइज का tote bag you will carry or all the things in that. क्योंकि कॉलेज में बहुत सारे आपको सामान लेके आना पड़ेंगे, तो the bag will not help and the छोटा tote bag will not help. You have to carry a big tote bag. Yeah, you will need good heels. Because every time you will having your fashion show, क्योंकि कॉलेज में हमेशा फैशन शो के लिए कुछ भी होता है तो फैशन शो होता ही है. सो you will need a good pair of heels. एक heels लो and it will work for your like 1 or 2 first and second semester. Flats are important because ऐसा नहीं कि कॉलेज जाओगे तो सिर्फ heels में जाओगे. Flats ले लेना, एक sneakers ले लेना. Sneakers are important. Shoes will help you a lot. In everyday outfit shoes will help you. If एक flat slippers will help you जो कॉलेज आना जाना आप कर सको. एंड फॉर द वेस्टर्न वेयर फ्लैट ऐसे लेना जो इंडियन एंड वेस्टर्न दोनों पे चली जाए, क्योंकि मैंने ऐसा ही किया था. मैंने एक फ्लैट लिया था एंड मैं हील्स कैरी नहीं करती ज़्यादा. मैंने फ्लैट्स लिया था और मैं वो इंडियन और वेस्टर्न पे दोनों पे कैरी करती थी. आई बाउट अ हील जो मैं किसी भी ओकेजन पे या फिर वेस्टर्न वेयर थोड़ा सा कोई फेस्टिवल हो रहा हो या ओकेजन हो रहा हो, स्पेक्ट्रम हो रहा हो, तो मैं वो हील्स कैरी करती थी. Yes, that's it for today and hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button or subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any comment, do let me know in the comment box. I will love to reply all the comments. Tata, bye bye.